Today, we're going to show you how to change the battery on a 4-button Nissan Key or Nissan Key Fob. These usually take CR2032 or CR2025 batteries. We've got links to both of those below, and you really need to open up the key to see what it takes. Now, this is going to work for any of these Nissan keys that have this 4-button format, so it doesn't really matter which Nissan vehicle you have. First thing you need to do is there's this little tab here. You need to press up, and that's going to release the spare key on the Nissan Key Fob. Now, once you've done that, you're going to need to pry this open, and here's where you need to be careful. There are sensitive electronics inside the key. You don't want to just jam this in and pry it open. What you want to do is there's a little notch right here on the Nissan key. You're going to just rotate it, and that's going to separate it rather than jamming it in there and prying up like this, because what happens if you do that is that you can hit those electronics in there, and we don't want to do that and break this Nissan Key Fob battery. So once we've done that, we've got access to the battery here. We're going to open this up. This one does say CR2032. It says that down here in the plastic, but you'll see once we get the Key Fob battery out, and then we can replace it. Yeah, this one says CR2032. So we've got links to those in the description below, but that is what this one uses. And then it's important to note you put this the same way that it went in. So this one says 2032. You want to have the negative side up. So we're going to do that. The negative side is up, the positive side is down. And then we're going to take that and we're just going to put our key fob back together. Put the two pieces, align them, and then we're going to snap. And there we go. That is how you change the battery on a Nissan 4-button key fob. And this will work for any of these Nissan vehicles that have this same format. So one thing before you go, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any links below. It helps the channel get out there and help more people with this. And hopefully we help you save money, and we want to help other people do that. So the more that you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. It helps us make more content and gets our message out there. We're all about helping you to do that DIY stuff so you can save a little bit of money and make your life a little bit easier. So I appreciate you and would really appreciate you subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.